let's talk about Tezos, guys. Tezos is currently trading at $5.29 with a market cap about $4.5 billion with the ticker of XTZ. Now, what is Tezos, guys? Tezos is a blockchain network that's based on smart contracts. It's a way that's not too similar to Ethereum. However, there's a big difference. Tezos aims to offer infrastructure that is more advanced, meaning it can evolve and improve over time throughout the without being in danger of a hard fork. So where can you guys trade a hard of this, guys? It's on Binance, Coinbase, UB Global, KuCoin, Gate.io, Kraken, Coinbase. So it's on the big exchanges, so you guys can trade and hodl this. We'll see if their price ratings. Their price rating from Symmetry is a B minus, and from Stable Outlook is a triple B. So please check out these reports. If you guys want to trade or hodl this or be a part of this ecosystem, please just read these reports, understand them, so you guys don't get blindsided about something that changes or upcoming things about it. When it comes to news, guys, I found one really interesting article, came out 8 days ago. This is the SmartLink announces yield farming on the second edition of its Tezos-based DEX Vortex. Please check this out. It's not too long. It's a very short article, but you guys can see the full article at BTC Manager. So check that out, guys. Let's check out their main website. So the website is very clean. If you guys look at their information about how to learn more about it, please check out their stuff. I'll have a link below. I have all the things I'm talking about in this video linked below. When it comes to their Twitter page, 219,000 followers, really big amount of following. Check this out, guys, for their articles and stuff. So educate yourself, same thing. But let's get to that price prediction, guys. So my last price prediction, guys, I said it was talking about $9. Since then, it has been going quite down. But let's see. Actually, almost all cryptocurrencies has been down a little lately. But since it has been going down since then, it has definitely been eaten up. So for me, since if I take this trade, it would definitely be taken out, hit my stop loss. But for the people who are hodling this, you guys are just dialing in week from week or day from day, or if you have that plan. That's what my plan is. That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So for this one right here, my price prediction is going to be a very simple one. It's going to be about $6.50. Let me mark this up. And how I'm going to approach that, guys. So for me, if I get taken out of a trade, and it happens kind of often, I step back and I'm like, okay, why did I get taken out? Well, obviously my trade went bad. So if my trade went bad, how do I reduce my risk and potentially get my money back, since I only risk 2.4% per trade? So I don't put a whole lot out there for my account to be massacred or, off of one trade. So for this right here, I'm going to hodl. If I'm going to get into this cryptocurrency, I'm going to hodl on a weekly basis, probably every Friday, throw $100 at it. If I had a job paying $500, I throw a portion of it every single week. So I'm saving in Tezos. So for here, I'm gonna enter off just plain market and keep on entering. So if it does head back down to this support zone, which is at $4.6, which is, it shouldn't be, because this is a very big pull-up bar. You can see off this hammer, there's a big entry, especially off this zone right here. Here, let's look at this. This right here, this is a common support zone that's shared across the chart since September. So there's big orders here. There's another big order here. So this might shoot up, having a couple down days, but shoot up and hit to the $6.50. If it doesn't, for my hodling position, I'm going to keep on entering in. And if I'm wrong, it happens. If it keeps on going down, it happens. But if I'm correct, I'm going to take some profits off at $6.50 and get my initial money back and just keep on letting it ride higher. If not, then it goes down, then I can evaluate it and make an updated video for that. But that's my price prediction, guys, $6.50. I'm only going to hodl this position. I'm not going to trade it. If you have any questions or comments on how I came to the deduction, please drop them below. But let's get to my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. So I've been posting my my live trading robots, trading US30, so please check it out. It's 100% automated. I do almost all my trading by automated trading and by programming. If you want to learn about programming, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 is DM me, we have a conversation, or check my trading course about Forex trading, crypto trading, stocks, and financial education trading. There's another version of that where you can have a live session with myself on a daily basis for 30 days. Look into that, guys, if you'd like. And also check my crypto portion. We can talk with other people about crypto. And Yeah, start some other accounts, guys. But that's it, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. Let's have this conversation about Tezos or any other cryptocurrency. And I'll see you guys in the next video.